Welcome to Floral Street. I'm Roshni.
And I'm Kate, and this is our Covent Garden flagship store.
We are a modern British fragrance brand with a collection of vegan, sustainable and unforgettable fragrances, powered by flowers and inspired by London.
Our fragrances are based off different moods and personas, so if you're feeling fiery, quirky or expressive, we'll have the fragrance for you. Who will you be today?
This is London Poppy, our love letter to London.
This fragrance is for the energetic, resilient and dynamic. The fragrance contains Sicilian lemon, which is really bright, citrusy and summery.
You've also got Florida Orange, which is the smell of sunshine and holidays. Two more ingredients in our London Poppy are Orange Blossom and Neroli. They're both the same flower from the same tree, the bitter orange tree, which is also known as the perfumer's tree.
It's a really beautiful, warm citrus and it's perfect for when you need a pick-me-up. We have a wardrobe of fragrances to perfectly express any mood. Who will you be today?